There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword not. In the universe of Python programming, logic controls the flow of execution, making decisions and guiding actions. Today, we are spotlighting a small yet powerful player in this logical landscape, the not keyword. Let's delve into how not flips the script, or more accurately, the Boolean value, in Python. The not keyword in Python is a logical operator that negates or reverses the truth value of the expression that follows it. If the expression is true, not makes it false, and if it's false, not turns it true. Simple in concept, yet profound in application. Why not? Its primary role is to enhance readability and expressiveness in conditional logic. By allowing programmers to directly express negation, not simplifies complex conditions and makes code more intuitive. Use the not keyword when you need to test the opposite of an expression's truth value. It's particularly handy in if statements, while filtering data, or in any situation where the logic of your program depends on negating a condition. Let's put not into action with a clear example. In this snippet, the variable userActive is initially set to false. Using not, we easily check if the user is inactive, not userActive, and respond accordingly. This demonstrates not's utility in cleanly expressing negation in conditional logic. And that's the essence of the not keyword in Python. By mastering its use, you can write more readable and logically sound code, making your programming intentions crystal clear. Continuing exploring Python's logical operators with us, subscribe for more insights into making your Python code more efficient and expressive.